Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back to my little jungle. Hello again everyone. Now we are going to unbox my succulents. Yes, my husband bought me succulents. He actually bought me 3 boxes of succulents. This is the first one that came in. It was actually came in yesterday, but I was so tired because I mowed the property, so I decided that I'm just going to unbox it today. But I've already open the box like this because I want the plant to breathe, but anyway, this is my receipt from that. This is a hardy succulent tray, 2-inch in a containers, 25 varieties, and it came from my favorite seller, of course, from Mountain Crest Garden. And as always, they have this booklet, little guide for us on how are we going to take care of our new babies. But anyway, they also added these are the names of the succulents that I got, and if you can see, all of them are saying -20 Fahrenheit. That's how much they can tolerate during winters. So it says it's a hardy succulent because it's hardy during winters, so they can tolerate winters down to -20. Some of them -20, but some of them also has -30 Fahrenheit. So anyway, that's the name of the plants, and I'm not sure how am I going to to know if which number one is, but we'll see. Ooh, I forgot to bring my thing. But anyway, I have here. I'm just going to put my trash there. That way I don't make mess all over my yard. I'm so sorry about the noise. That's in our, that's our neighbor property. I think they're going to, or they have a buyer to their land, and they are cleaning the property. That's why it's so noisy, but it's all right. They can do whatever they do because that's their property. But anyway, the soil is all over the place here. I hope the plants are just doing all right. I also has a mystery succulents here, a mystery plant. It's added there. I forgot to tell you, but I have a mystery succulents here. See, it has a bonus mystery succulent. It's unlabeled, so there's no way for me to know what's the name of the free one, but I can always go to their site and look what's the name of it. So this is how they look like in here in the box. Oh, I can see a baby. See here? Oh, we'll get that later. There's a lot of mosquito right now. It's noontime here where I live in Texas, but the mosquito is just so ugly right now. Oh, it's too hot. I think this is my free succulents. We'll see later. So we just put that there first, and I did not made a research which is number one here, because I can say that's number one, right? This is number one too, or this side here is also number one, or even this side here is also a number one. So I don't know which is number one though, and I am not so familiar yet with the succulents names and look, so I don't have an idea. It would be better if they put a mark which is number one, right? Instead of putting this one here. They just put this. This is the only label they can put there, but it says -20 Fahrenheit here. So I don't know what is that. Plus, look how dirty it is. So I have another box of succulent that's coming today, I guess. If not today, tomorrow. But I think my husband said it's gonna be today. But I think I'm going to do a separate unboxing. That way my video is not too long. Alright, so we can take this out here now and see who is number one. Oh no, oh no. Alright, so that's my baby. Ooh, I dropped it. So that came from here. Ooh. And I found, oh no, I found another one here. And I think this came from this one. Let's put it on top of it. So that's all. Let's see if I can. Number one, Semper Vivum Pacific Teddy. Ooh, maybe this is the Pacific Teddy. I don't know. It's so full of soil. So what I'm going to do is I am going to water it that way. Oh, let's see. Angelina. I don't know. I have two different kinds. Maybe this is the Angelina. Yeah, that's the Angelina. So this is number one here. Okay, Teddy. Huh? Yeah, maybe that's the Teddy. Choco. Oh my gosh. I don't know which one is which. But anyway, I think I'm just going to look later. I am going to look their website and see which one is which. But actually, I don't care what's their name. I just wanted to grow them. Which is not good. But anyway, oh, I almost forgot my free succulent. Okay, let's see what's in here. Oops, sorry. Oh, it's a little bitty one. Oh, it's the coating. Cheers. That's the free one. Last time, if you remember my unboxing, the free succulent was in a pot and it's already so big. This one is just so ugly, and I have problem growing this kind of succulent, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna grow this one. But anyway, I'm gonna plant this for sure. I'm not sure if I'm going to put in a water, because I saw people when they have this kind, they put in a water. But I think I will plant it directly in a soil. It already colors, so it's alright. I'm not happy with the free plant, but hey, it's free. I like it anyway. So I had like this, but on winter they died. I actually have 10 pieces of these one. It also came from them, but they died on winter. This is not a hardy succulent. This is a soft succulent actually. So that's my free one, and that's what I got. My husband's gift for me this month. I am so happy I got this anyway. So let's see. I'm just going to water it. I'll show you how I water it. watering these, I'm going to put it here at the other side of my garden because it's too hot in here. So that's just how I'm gonna do that, just to remove those soil on top of it. Oh no, too harsh. That way I can recognize them. Because there's no way for me to recognize those. Alright. Now they are visible. See? I can see them already. So alright, that's it. And so after that, I am going to put this right next where I put my orchids and other plants. So anyway, thank you all so much for watching my video, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.